So, Marrow study is like clinically oriented. Yes, even
Yes.
videos after the every video, you get to solve 3 to 4 clinical questions by the faculty, and even the Q bank is clinically based. So the FMG pattern is now changing towards more clinically oriented questions we are getting. So you are just clear. You have just practiced enough, before you attempt for if before you go for the exam.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sakshi Arora Hans, your OBGY faculty at Marrow, and today I'm honored because I have Dr. Pooja with me, who has not just cleared her December 2021 FMG exam, but she's cleared it with flying colors. She has scored 245 in this exam. Congratulations, Dr. Pooja.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Dr. Pooja, how are you feeling just now?
I just can't describe. It's just good to clear things off your list. So I just feel
Yeah.
good.
So you have, I mean, aren't you super excited? Has this feeling sunk in that you've got 245 in the exam?
Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. And to all those who are listening to us, believe me, it is not easy to clear this exam. The pass percentage for FMG is very less. And on top of that, you're not just clearing, you are getting a score of 245. Incredible, Dr. Pooja. So please tell us a little bit more about yourself.
So hi everyone. I'm Dr. Dave Puja. I did my MBBS from University of Perpetual Help, Philippines, and I was a Marrow Plan C user.
Great. And Dr. Pooja, you were a Marrow Plan C user since what time? Like, when did you subscribe to Marrow?
I was a Plan C user from last 18 months.
Last 18 months. And
18,
this was your
yes.
first attempt?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So, when did you start preparing for FMG exam? You know, sincerely thinking about that, yes, I have to clear this exam, the MCI
Uh,
screening test.
when I joined my internship, at that time only I started preparing for the FMG exam.
And when you joined for internship, that was the time when you subscribed to Marrow Plan C.
Yes, yes, ma'am. At that time only.
So, how did you come to know about Marrow, Dr. Pooja?
One of our seniors suggested me that you should join Marrow. It is good. That it's a conceptualized study, so I like studying conceptually. So I subscribed to Marrow.
Great. And today, when you look back at
Yes, ma'am.
your entire journey, do you think you made the right decision? And would you recommend Marrow to all your juniors like your senior did it to you?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. Why not? It's good to
Okay.
join Marrow.
What was that extra edge which Marrow provided you, which gave you the confidence that, yes, I am going to clear this exam?
So, Marrow study is like clinically oriented. Yes, even
Yes.
videos after the every video, you get to solve 3 to 4 clinical questions by the faculty, and even the Q bank is clinically based. So the FMG pattern is now changing towards more clinically oriented questions we are getting. So you are just clear. You have just practiced enough, before you attempt for if before you go for the exam.
I totally agree with you, Dr. Pooja. One is that, yes, FMG exam is unpredictable. You know,
Yes, ma'am.
sometimes you may get a very easy exam, sometimes you may get a difficult exam. And as the years are passing, I started teaching to FMGE students 15 years back. And in those 15 years, what I am seeing is that the questions are becoming more and more clinical. And now you cannot say that this is a purely anatomy question or
Yes,
a
ma'am.
purely physiology question. It is more of integrated questions which you are getting, more clinical and more concept based questions which you are getting. Okay.
Totally agree, ma'am.
Also, Dr. Pooja, when I talk to students, they say that, ma'am, Marrow is a little lengthy and Marrow takes more time when we are talking for FMGE exam. So they are very much intimidated by the length of the videos, by the depth of the videos. So what is your say on this?
I would say that it's worth your time, even if it takes a lot of time. You just clear things conceptually. So you even when you revise things, if you're ratifying things, then you have to revise them again and again. But if your concepts are clear, even if someone asks you like after 6 months of studying that topic, you can just answer that easily.
That's really a good advice which you are giving to the juniors, that it's not always important to mug up things. What
Yes.
is important is that you have to understand the concept. So yes, maybe you are going to take a little more time, but then that's worth it, because there will be
Yes.
less time you will be taking for your revisions. And
Yes,
that brings
ma'am.
me to the next question: how much time did you take? Did you watch all videos of Marrow, all subjects? And how
Yes,
much time
ma'am.
did it take you to watch all the videos, and for the first time? And were you preparing your own notes, or were you relying on Marrow notes?
No, ma'am. I was preparing my own notes.
Okay, so you were watching videos and simultaneously you were making your own notes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much time did it take you to go through all subjects, all videos, and making notes? How much time did it take you for the first time?
Initially, it took me 6 months to do so.
Okay.
For preparing all the subjects notes, and then watching all the videos.
And in a day, how many hours of video watching were you doing? That it took you 6 months,
Uh,
so how many approximate hours were you putting in?
Actually, ma'am, if I would say, I was not just focusing on hours, I was
Huh.
focusing on my daily targets. So I have to complete this. Yes, I was not focusing on how much hours I need to study. If I can
No, but
complete,
in general, I'm asking that just in case a student thinks about completing all subjects, making their own notes, approximately how many hours a day will they have to put in so that they do it by 6 months?
approximately 7 to 8 hours.
Approximately, you were putting in
Yes,
7 to 8 hours.
7 to 8 hours. Yes.
And were you solving QBank simultaneously or no?
Yeah, I was solving the Q bank simultaneously on that
The
very day.
On that very day, the topic which you
Yes.
were watching, the videos which you were watching and making notes, same topics QBank
Yes,
also
ma'am.
solving.
Yes. Yes.
So, Dr. Pooja, were you solving the QBank which Marrow has designed specifically for the FMG students?
Yes, ma'am. That Q bank I was solving, the one designed for FMGs.
Okay. So now, before we go ahead, since you've watched all videos of Marrow, and you've watched, in all subjects, who was your favorite faculty at Marrow?
Ma'am, you and Dr. Rohan.
See, again, Dr. Pooja, I mean, I tell this to all the students that since I am interviewing, that doesn't mean that you have to name me.
No, ma'am, it's not so. Because when you make a study, it's just like you just make things very clear. So it's and you and Rohan so both. So you make us solve questions also at the end. So it's just very much beneficial, and also you clear our concept. So and your webinars, I would say they were very very much beneficial.
So you were attending all webinars which we had conducted this year,
Yes, ma'am, I've attended all the webinars.
right? In a month, we were doing 2 webinars of
Yes,
OBGY every month.
yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
were watching all webinars, and did that help you?
Yes, ma'am. Because I completed my OBG and OB/GYN very very early in my preparation. So
Okay,
by watching webinars, I was able to revise topics periodically. So it helped me a lot.
great. Okay, now coming to the QBank.
Yes, ma'am.
How would you rate Marrow's QBank? Because yes, I do agree it's a little difficult for the FMG students, but we at Marrow believe at preparing you a level higher up
Yes,
than
ma'am.
your original exam, so that when you give your exam, you find it easier in comparison to what we've given in the QBank, what we've given as to you as GTs. So, how would you rate Marrow's QBank as?
Marrows Q Bank was very much useful, and also we made the questions were clinically oriented, so it gives you a lot of confidence. So when you solve it once and then you revise it for once, so whenever you are giving an exam, when you are giving FMG exam, if you have not solved clinical questions at that time, you would feel like, Arey, you didn't do that, you didn't do this. So Marrow's Q Bank was very much helpful in that manner, because
Great.
the questions were designed in that way only, that the exam seemed a little easier.
Right. Acha, what was your strategy, Dr. Pooja? Like, were you focusing more on clinical subjects, or and did you leave? There is a general trend that let us leave this subject, let us leave that subject. Very few questions come from this subject, and we have to get 150, the score of 150. We don't have to, get a rank here.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what was your basic strategy? Did you leave any subject, or did you do all subjects?
I did all the subjects, but I was a little less prepared for forensic medicine, psychiatry. But I prepared for all the subjects.
But you took the
And
subject,
yeah, yes. And ma'am, as you said before, the exam is unpredictable. You don't know the
right?
weightage that they give is not the one that they follow in the real exam. So you have to be prepared for every subject equally well.
Yes. And that is one mistake which I see students doing very commonly. They would
Yes, ma'am.
think that let me leave this subject and, bad luck would come that if that subject is focused a lot in the exams. Because they don't have any demarcation these days that in paper
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
this is going to happen, in paper two, these subjects are going to come. The boundaries have blurred between
Blood.
paper one and
Totally.
paper.
Yes, ma'am. Totally agree.
Okay.
Mm.
So, by what month would you have completed your first go through of all subjects?
Uh,
Approximately.
approximately. Uh, I would
See,
say in yes,
like you were saying, it took you 6 months,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
So you
Yes, ma'am.
started preparing from which month?
I started preparing from July.
From July
Yes, ma'am.
2020.
July, yes, July to like mid of Jan or Feb. I was able to complete all the subjects.
Okay. And then you started revising.
Yes,
And what was your strategy while you were revising? Were you revising notes, the notes
yes.
which you had made?
I was revising the notes also, and I used the Marrow revision videos also. They were very much beneficial.
Okay.
I
So you
will,
went
yes,
narrow revision videos also.
yes, ma'am.
Great. Acha, how were you giving GTs, Dr. Pooja?
Yes.
And how were you scoring in the GTs?
I won't say I won't say a lot of I was scoring a lot, but I used to get between 180, 190, not
But
more.
then you were
Not
able to
much.
clear, in
Mm.
GTs also, you were doing pretty well, I would say. Because as I said, in GTs also, our level is little higher.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
preparing you for a little higher level so
Yes.
that when you give the exam and see 180, 190 in GTs and 245 in the real exam, that's really great.
Yes, ma'am, because it's better to prepare a level higher than a level lower, because if the paper come if you're prepared for a lower level and the paper comes at a higher level, you
Little.
just feel very much depressed. Even if the questions you know the answer, you will just
Yes.
get anxious and you won't be able to answer properly.
Agreed, Dr. Pooja, that when a paper comes a little difficult than what you've prepared for, in such papers, even if you know the answers, you, because of your
Yes,
anxiety levels, you tend to
yes,
mark the paper correctly. That's
yes,
very lightly put by you, Dr. Pooja. And I mean, what would your recommendation be to your juniors? How they should start their preparation, when they should start their preparation, and what source should they be using?
I would definitely recommend them to use Marrow, because the exam is now clinically oriented, so it will prep you very good at a very higher level, and it's good to prepare at a higher level. Just don't be afraid of the length of the videos, and the amount of question bank and the level of questions in the question bank. Just do it, even if you're getting it wrong, it does not matter, because
Right.
yeah, getting answers wrong while you're preparing is not bad. Okay,
Yes.
you can just improvise on your mistakes at that time only, so you don't make mistakes in the real exam. And
Great.
yes, and I would recommend you to start early. Don't just wait for the the good time, the right time, or anything. Just start preparing very early, and
Yes.
do all the subjects, do all the topics. No if you can't go in deep in every topic like NEET PG, just know superficially every topic, because the exam is unpredictable and you don't know what they're gonna ask you. So just be very very well prepared.
Right. And Dr. Pooja, I mean, being mentoring so many FMG students, I keep telling them just one thing, and that, this FMG exam or the MCI exam is a stepping stone in your career.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You have a bigger vision. You should always
Yes,
have
yes,
broader vision, and that is NEET PG. So
yes,
you should always, pick up a source which is not only going to help you clear FMGE, but it is going to help you in attaining your bigger goal. And your
bigger
bigger
girls as well.
target is not just MCI.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
Yes, ma'am.
target is clearing NEET PG, and that
Yes,
is
yes,
why
ma'am.
I think you should always choose that source which is helping you attain both these goals
Yes, ma'am.
simultaneously.
Yes, ma'am. So also I'd like to mention that just don't target 150 you have to get. Okay, so you are prepared. As ma'am said, FMG is a stepping stone. You have very much bigger exams waiting for you. So whenever you have time, just prepare it well. Even if the exam, if FMG exam is a little lower level, just don't worry for that. Knowledge is never a waste. So
Yes.
yes. So if you're getting to learn, just learn everything. When you have time, just learn everything. By the time you get for NEET PG, it will make things very much easier for you at that time.
And Dr. Pooja, I would also want to know that, since you had subscribed to Maro, right?
Yes.
Which was an app, which was not a face-to-face or a live class. What were the
Yes, ma'am.
advantages and disadvantages which you feel you faced during preparation because you were studying from an app rather than from a live class?
So if you are studying from an app, if a topic, if there is a topic you are not able to, get it on one go, you can just, rewind the video and just watch it again. So
Yes.
whenever, and it is, Mero is very concise, and you can get the question bank, the videos, everything at one place. You don't have to carry books everywhere. And then
Yes.
anywhere you are, if you want to watch videos, you can do that. If you want to watch question bank, you can do that. So using an app is very much beneficial. I would recommend to use an app rather than going for a live class.
Great, because
Yes, ma'am.
that is the advantage. We want
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
everything what you need is at one place.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
in your mobiles. You don't have to
Yes,
carry things, and
yes,
you
ma'am.
can study at your own comfort.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Anytime you want.
Yes. And how many times were you able to revise your notes before you gave your exam, Dr. Pooja?
I would say I was able to revise 3 times.
You were able to revise
Yes,
three
ma'am.
times.
Yes.
And just 1 month before the exam, what was your strategy? What were you?
Actually, yes, my goal of telling you to start preparing very early is that in the last month I had my brother's wedding. So
Oh,
so I was not able to focus very well, but because I was prepared for the exam very much early on, so that didn't disturb me. Even if I was
great.
not able to studying for like 15 days, it just didn't disturb
Didn't
my
affect
rhythm.
you at all,
Yes,
because look at the
yes,
score which you've got.
yes, ma'am. Yes. So in the last 15 days, I was solving custom modules, 50
Okay.
questions in the morning and 50 questions in the afternoon session. Because in the exam there's an afternoon session. So
Right.
you have to, yes, ma'am. So you have to be prepared for that, because one of the GTs when I gave in the afternoon session, I was feeling very sleepy and I was not able to, think properly. Even if I know the answer, I was not able to think and process the question properly. So I would advise you in the last 15 days, skip afternoon sleeping and just start solving questions at that time.
That is wonderful piece of advice, Dr. Pooja, because so many of us would miss on this point that yes, you have to give an exam in the afternoon session also. In
Yes,
morning,
ma'am.
we are all very fresh.
Yes, ma'am.
in afternoon you have to practice giving GTs in the
Yes, ma'am.
afternoon as well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because in the afternoon session, if you're used to sleep in the afternoon, you will just feel
Yes.
very much sleepy at that time. And you, even if you know the answers, you are not able to process that question very well.
So how many GTs were you giving on an average, Dr. Pooja? And when did you
Uh,
start giving the GTs?
I started giving the GTs uh, after I've completed my first reading and my first revision also.
Acha, after
Yes,
your
ma'am.
first reading and first revision, you
Revision.
started
Yes,
somewhere
yes, ma'am.
around June, July, you started giving GTs or before that?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Somewhere around June, July.
And how often were you giving the GTs?
So in starting, I used to give it every monthly, but
Okay.
in the last like 2 months, in every 15 days.
And then in last 15 days, you were giving GTs in the afternoon as well, so that you have
Yes,
that.
yes. Even if you don't give GTs, you can just solve 50 100 questions from the custom module.
Right. And did you solve previous year papers as well, Dr. Pooja?
Yes, ma'am. I've solved previous year questions. They are available on the Marrow's FMG Q Bank also. You can solve it from there. I've also solved NEET PG's previous year questions. Yeah,
Okay.
because the board is the same, so if you can
Yes.
get. Yes.
So again, a very, very important information for all the listeners that you just don't have to solve previous year FMG questions. You should also watch all the recall sessions we've given
Yes,
for
ma'am.
NEET because the
Yes.
board is same. So like Dr. Pooja said, you may get a question which was asked in NEET PG. Right. And were you using custom module of the QBank, Dr. Pooja, oftenly?
Yes, ma'am. I was using
So,
it very much often. You can just set the number of questions, the topics you want, the subjects you want. So it's very much helpful.
and were you bookmarking difficult questions as well?
Yes, ma'am.
So at the end, when you had done everything, you were revising those bookmark questions along with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
registers, the notes which you had made.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
I've revised.
and you had done all this. So at the end, by the time you were giving your exam, you had finished your revisions at least twice or thrice with the registers, with the notes which you had made. You had done QBank and you had bookmarked them. Then you had also done previous year papers and
Yes.
revision videos.
Yes, ma'am.
All this was complete when you had appeared for the exam,
Yes, ma'am. A month before that only.
a month before that. And
Yes.
when you were giving the exam and when you came out, were you confident that you'll clear the exam?
Yes.
You
I
were
was
confident?
confident. Yes, I was confident that I'll clear the exam. I was not thinking about the score, but I was confident that I'll clear the exam.
Yes, and that confidence is showing, it's reflecting on your face also. I can see that you're very, very focused. You know what your goals are. And not only that, many of us, we know our goals, but we don't know how to achieve them. And you have a very straight vision. You know what is your goal, what is your target, and you know how to achieve it as well.
Yes.
So, all the best for NEET PG, and I'm sure we are going to meet again. I'm going to interview again once you get a very good rank in NEET PG. All the best for your future, and the way you were focused for FMG, stay the same way for NEET PG also, Dr. Pooja.
Yes. Sure, ma'am.
God bless you. May you have a bright future ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a pleasure talking to you, and I can also say a dream come true.
No, it
Because,
was pleasure
mm,
talking to you, Dr. Pooja, as well. I mean, it was great interacting with you. And I'm sure all the listeners who are listening to us are going to learn so many things from you. You know, so many small, small things which you've pointed out, which are really very, very important when you are facing the real exam.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Take care and Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and same to you.
Thank you so much.
Mm.